You better do that. Joel.
Yes, sir.
That fool is running on the smoke ganja non-stop.
Russia.
Who from inside?
Russia, Miss Yeah, look.
Yeah, man.
Right here.
Nice, like.
Nathan. Hello, we make you look on jelly bad, so.
Yo, which camera? What I know? Yo, which camera?
Pop out.
Which camera we there now?
Alright, man. Too much now. Hey,
We just
are
near you, sir.
picture. Yeah, I run out a picture.
One that. Right here.
Alright.
You not.
People. Ready? This one. Ready?
The phone we there now.
Yeah.
Which one?
This one, Nathan. All right.
Everywhere.
Okay.
Yeah, people, so that was a video of Popcorn and Miss Rona, and more for say happy belated birthday to Miss Rona. Her birthday was about 2 days ago. You know, I just I see the video on Poppy's sister page, on Squid page, right? So I see him and Miss Rona and him brother them Squidel, and you know what I mean, I'm sister a video it. So shout out to Miss Rona once again. You know, say Poppy have to get little trouble in it. So people, I don't really that me I got talk about today. But through I see that video, I think say, you know, it's a good share and a positive vibes for the show the masses, you see me, and a chance to say happy belated birthday to Miss Rona. But people, what we want to talk about today, we want to talk about album season because it's July 1st and we are talking about 2 albums from 2 dancehall artists, female dancehall artists that's on the horizon. And not to mention, you know, Massacre album still not really dropped yet. So, but we are talking about Shenseea and we are going to talk about Spice 10 album, right? So yesterday Shenseea post and Shenseea said that the album is ready, people. So when you know say Shenseea not drop no song from the beginning of the year, but now she said the album is ready. We don't know exactly when it's going to release. But people, Spice album is a definite for July 30. So July 30th is going to be the release of Spice album, and we already know it's a Spice album named 10. Now, as Shenseea album, we don't know exactly where it name. If anybody know the name of Shenseea album, tell we in the comment section below, right? Now, me I think about it, we already know some of the songs them with the on Spice album, like we know say Friends the Punny, we know Go Down the Punny for sure, and you know what I mean, she says she have some other bangers on it, but we don't really know what is what. But from the looks of things and, you know, Shaggy talk about it and the production and the process, we know say are mostly new songs, right? Because even Friend is still considered a new song. Even though it had been around and I see it for a long time, she does that play it in her car. But with the music video, it was a whole different thing. Now, let's talk about the song with Conscience. She and Conscience pay for it. Now, we know say that a Conscience and Russian involvement, let's say involvement, even though a Russian song, but it more look like a Conscience song, so we don't expect that for the upon it, right? When you tell me down in the comment section if we not pre the same thing, right? And she did mention and say that Friends was the first official single and Go Down There the second, so when you know say pay for it did out and she never really mentioned that to be part of the album. So people, let's talk about Shenseea album and what we actually can put together. We know say we hear this talk a grown about Shenseea and Drake have song for drop. So more than likely there's no way I gonna tell me say Shenseea drop album and that song is not gonna be on the album if there's a Shenseea and Drake song. No, don't take it from me as facts and say me say Shenseea and Drake have song. Me just attack it like me or everybody else on social media say, you know what I mean, Shenseea and Drake have song. Me don't know how them know that other than what Spice say, because I remember say Spice they say yeah, that thing there, but not to go down the road there, but she did say that. She did say they have Drake pan song, so why else more than one, right? But people, another thing too, me don't want people take this like, me I try to pin Shenseea and Spice against one another. It is competition as far as album goes, and this are any industry, any whatever. 2 artists that drop album, of course, one have to try for, you know what I mean, get leverage on one. We hope that both albums do well, right? And we want both of them to do well because, you know, it's a good look overall for the fans. It's more entertaining, more competition. The song them good, and more song that in a dance hall, more hits, more video for people make whole heap of things. So, let's see where me I go with that, right? So, we want to see both albums, you know what I mean, make an impact. But one have to outdo one. You see me? We don't know how the thing go. Or which by some weird thing or some strange mystical way, both of them do as good and equally as each other. You don't understand what I say? That would be great too. But people, I want to tell me down in the comment section who una anticipate the most. Which album una anticipate more? Spice 10 album or Shenseea, name to be announced. Let's leave it there. Or if you don't know the name, we say put it down there. We never hear she said no name. Me personally never hear. I don't know if nobody else know the name like me say put in the comment section. But which album are you looking forward to? Shenseea's album or Spice album or both? Cause nothing wrong with that. Me personally, I look for your both of them. You see what I say? So now tell me down in the comment section. I want to try if you know broke out in a war in the comment section over Shenseea album and Spice album. You see me I say? It's just one dancehall, one Caribbean, a little friendly music competition. And, you know, like me say, it goes without saying that they are really competing against each other musically. You know what I mean? But I mean, I look upon it like them really want to see each other feel or nothing like that. Not like that. You see me? But we want both of them to do it good. But if both of them album come around in at the same time, which we know Spice one is July 30th for sure, you see what I say? And it'll go over in August and so forth. You see me? It's going to be around till probably the end of the year, around till December. So if Shenseea drop for her album anytime like between now and December, of course it's why them I go around the same time. So I don't get what I say. Now people know me I talk a lot, but we just a talk today. So I say this is more of a like, I don't want to say podcast because I don't know one and see me, but it's more like a little radio talking thing. You know what I mean? And it's album season. Now I want to also tell me like if there's other albums coming out, you know, from other artists that you know anticipate as well, right? We know Chanel Muir, they have album talk. She says she wanted to do an album by the end of the year. We never really hear nothing more about that. I will never know if she still go with that plan. But you know, me I look forward to hear from her too. I want to hear for her album because she's talented like that, people. I feel like she can do it and do good songs too. Now, you know, say, we don't know, like, for her first album, it can go either way. It's either she can find her tempo on other albums or she just straight out of the gate, just tap it like that, you know what I mean? Also, we wonder, like, if Coffee come with no album or, you know what I mean, Jada Kingdom just sign. Wonder if none of them are come with no album. You see what I say? Also, you can tell me too who know that like for drop another album this year or their first album this year as well. So people, you know what I mean? I've been talking a lot, but I'm just going to leave it there. So if it's your first time on this channel and you like this video, please go ahead and subscribe. If you just subscribe, welcome to the Dancehall IG family. To all my long-time subscribers, thank you for being here. Keep on liking, sharing, and commenting. Everybody, big up on yourselves. Stay safe out there. Thanks for all the love and participation when we put up these discussions and forums. You see what I say? When you stay in the comment section and make the thing work. Alright, so big up on yourselves. Stay safe out there. I'm out.
We got that one in my AP. Dancehall IG. Atina. Excuse me. Dancehall IG. Rich. Punk. Should know. Tento Blacks. Yeah, they.